Hello, my name is Darren Ramrup, and this is my tutorial for installing Windows Server 2008 on VirtualBox Manager. For all those who don't have VirtualBox Manager, click on your web browser. In my case, it's Google Chrome, and type VirtualBox as it come up. Click Downloads, and you click the link that suits your OS. So in my case, it will be Windows since I have Windows 10. I have Solaris, Linux, Mac. When you click the link, you click Run, Install, and this will be the outcome. The other piece of software you'll be needing is the OS. And this here is the OS for Windows Server 2008. Because I have Windows 10, the ISO will boot it will boot automatically. So there will be no extra needs for any other software such as Daemon Tools or Magic ISO. To start things off, we click New and we name our VirtualBox machine. Click down to the type, and because ours is Windows, we are going to Windows, and we find Windows 2008 32-bit. Because the one we are running here is 32-bit, yes, the bit size matters if you want the OS to run. What we'll be seeing here from here on out are virtual representations of hardware components in a PC. Here we have the memory, which is our RAM, but we only need a small amount. As it could go up to 8 gigs because this is the size of RAM on this PC, but we will stick with just the 512. We are creating a virtual hard disk now. The virtual box disk image is creating a new virtual machine with a disk. The virtual disk is mainly the other virtual machine disk is mainly used for other virtualization products such as like VMware or same VirtualBox Manager. We are dealing with virtual hard disk because it represents our storage in our VirtualBox machine. We are clicking dynamically allocated because it only uses space on the physical hard drive. We are only gonna keep it around 20. Ooh, this is very tricky. Okay, 20. We only keep it at this amount mainly because we only need a small amount just for this tutorial, and it's also my brother's laptop, so I don't want to use much of it. And we have created our virtual machine, or VirtualBox machine. And now we can start the installation of Windows Server 2008. The installation may take around 15 to 30 minutes. It depends on your specifications of your computer. So just, be patient. So you click here Windows Server 2008, and we click open and we start. Okay, so here's our funnel facts. As you can see, we have two mouse, and whenever we shift across here, it basically transfers over. Other PCs may have you click the right tutorial for you to take command of the VirtualBox or to even exit the VirtualBox. In my case, that's not an issue. I'm clicking next for everything, mainly because we all speak English, and any other things like time and currency formats will be changed when the OS has been booted up. Install now. We are going with Windows Server 2008 full installation. If you guys want to read the license terms, go right ahead. For other people like myself, feel free to click I accept the license terms and next. Now we click custom. Okay, so what we are seeing here is another representation of our hard disk, well, our virtual hard disk. So when we click drive options and new, what you will be seeing here is a certain, we'll be breaking up the space into primary and the same thing it says unallocated space. So we are splitting it in two and apply. The primary here shows where the OS will be stored, and the unallocated space would be where it's just basically free space. You can also store stuff in the primary as well, as long as it has space in the primary. And now we wait. User's password must be changed before logging on the first time, so we shall change the password. Password has been changed. With this pop-up window, we shall change the time zone and provide a computer name. So we click set time zone. Main reason we changing the time zone because this is 6:44. As you can see here, it's 9:44. So we shall change the time zone. And we are going to La Paz. Okay, 9:44, 9:44. And OK. Provide a computer name. Well, this is the computer description, but we'll change it either way. And we have to restart. We click OK, apply, and restart now. As you can see here, press Ctrl or delete to log on. Now, in our case, if we put in Ctrl or delete on our keyboards, we will get our task manager to come up. But remove this little problem. We click Input, Keyboard, Insert CTRL or Delete, and we type in our password. So this part is optional. Do not show this window at logon. Basically, every time you log on, this window will pop up. So I'm clicking it here. If you all want to keep it up, just don't click it. But in my case, I will click it. Click close and another window pop up. And we close here. When we are closing our VirtualBox machine, we close it like a regular machine. We click Start and shut down. As you can see it here, there's a comment. Because this OS is mainly based with servers, we need to give a reason why we are leaving, why we are shutting down. So in our case, and we click OK. As you can see, powered off, and we can X off here. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you all very much for watching, and have a good day. Thank you.